Recording. Okay. So we have looked previously at castling, and we have looked at king safety. We have looked at check and mate. No audio? No, I think it is. Aiden, maybe you might check on your side because others are able to hear me. Okay. Can
Sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think everyone can
Okay.
hear me. So maybe just check the audio on your side.
I can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Thanks. Confirmation. Yes. All right. So, okay. So what I was saying is, uh, we have looked at check and mate, which is essentially the winning part of it. But there is also a very important part of chess game, which is drawing. Okay. And why it is so important? Uh, See, it is only one person can win, and obviously both of the players want to win. But when you are not able to win, maybe you have made some mistake and maybe you have lost a queen or a rook or something like that. Okay, so that has happened. Now obviously, can you try to win? Yeah, I mean, you can hope to win at beginner level. Maybe you can also win because the other side will also make sometimes a bigger mistake and then you will win. But as you grow slightly stronger, or even sometimes in your games, you will find that you need to defend, and you have to import. First thing is that you should not lose. Draw is always better than a losing, and then obviously a win is better than a drawing, right? So given that, I think we have to look at what are the, first of all, let us understand what are the rules of drawing. Okay, there are 6 ways that a chess game can be drawn. So not one way, not 2 ways, but there are 6 ways. Okay, so let us look at all the ways that that you can draw. Okay, can do you want to tell first what are the uh, Archit, again, that might be voice cracking, maybe a problem of network at your side also. So I hope others are able to hear me. So I guess it is not an issue here, but maybe at your side, the problem may be there. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So one is no powers, only kings. Yeah. I think, Sarsh, you are right. If there are only kings left, then it is clearly a draw. In fact, there is a general so what you are referring to is the number 2 in my thing called as not enough material. Okay, it is going beyond. So just the 2 kings is one special case, but there are also other cases where there is not enough material to do a checkmate, and hence it is a draw. Okay, but before that, the first way that you can draw is if both players agree to a draw, right? I don't know, Sarish is playing let us say Archit, and for whatever reason they say that, okay, I think both of us don't want to lose it, so why don't we draw the game? So if they agree to a draw, then nobody else can say anything about it, right? It's a draw. So that is the first way, is agreement. Draw by agreement. Both players have to agree. It is not enough that one player says a draw, right? The other side has to accept it. One guide proposes a draw, the other side accepts it, then it's a draw. And you have the option on lichess. If you see, there is a symbol. There are ways to resign. That is, the flag is the symbol for resignation, and then there is a hand symbol is there when you are playing. That hand, if you click it, then it will ask you, do you really want to offer a draw? Again, if you click that hand symbol, then your draw offer will be sent to the other player. He will see it on his display. The other player wants to offer a draw. Do you want to take it? And tick mark will be there, or cross mark. If you do it, the tick mark is accepting it. Then in that case, the game is drawn. Okay, so that is the first thing. Second thing, as Sahar said, okay, is not enough material. If there is not enough material on the chessboard, such as theoretically, it is not possible to take a checkmate. See, theoretically, it is about theoretical, which means that uh, you are not talking about, oh, is this likely to happen? It is not about likeliness. It is about just possibility. Okay, so for example, I will give you some very crazy situations, but which are not a draw. Okay, so but we will first look at what is a thing. See, this first this diagram here on the left, it is a draw. Though white has got a knight and a king, but knight and a king are not enough to checkmate the black king, irrespective of how bad black plays and how good white plays. No matter what, it is not possible to checkmate. Okay, so It is not possible to checkmate. And just 1 second, I will put myself in busy mode and whatever. So okay, so what I was saying is, so it is not possible to checkmate. Similarly, on the right side here, there is a position where white has got a bishop and a king. Okay, against black only king. Again, no matter how good you play as white and how bad black plays, it is not possible to checkmate. Okay, so both of these are theoretically drawn endgames because there is not enough material. But you just add one pawn to white and then it becomes a possible to win. Similarly, in both the positions. Okay, if you just add one pawn also, it is possible that you will be what do you call you can checkmate. Okay, I'm going to mute all because there is some noise that I'm hearing. So mute all. Okay. Okay, got it. I think the number 2 is very clear. Number 2 rule, right? But what it does mean is that what are the 6 stalemates? Okay, I will tell you about it. One, there are so many things, so very interesting. But I will take you. What if black has got a king and a queen, and white has got a king and a pawn? Is it a draw by this one? Can black claim a draw by insufficient material? Answer is no, because white has got a pawn. Even though black has got a queen, it might happen that he might lose that queen. And after that, the pawn again, while the pawn itself cannot checkmate, but the pawn can travel to the 8th rank, become a rook or a king, rook or a queen, and then it can checkmate. So hence, even this position is not a draw. Okay, only there are very few positions where it is a theoretical draw. Okay. All right, then we will go on to the third rule. Third rule is by stalemate. Okay, stalemate is a position that you have to understand. Many of you might already be aware. Okay, sometimes it has happened in your games, and then some of you have said why the other side has got 1 point. I mean, it is 1-1. It is not. It's a draw. So light chess has given it as a draw. Why it is? So it is because it's a stalemate, and stalemate is when there are no legal moves available to one side. That side is to play, whichever, either white or black. It has to make a move, but it has no legal move available, and the king is also not currently in check. Okay, that is when it is stalemate. Okay, it is different from checkmate, where we had learned about the rules of checkmate. The king should be in check, and it should not be possible to remove the check by any means. A, B, C, D, whatever that we said, avoid, block, and capture. If none of those are possible and the king remains in check, and then it is a checkmate. But if the king is not in check and there are no legal moves available, then it's a stalemate. Okay, because the game, what it means is that the game cannot proceed. Yeah, king has no place to move, and no other pawn, bishop also cannot move. Okay, not just the king. That's what I think it is important. King has no place to move, and there are no other moves possible. Okay, I will show you. So that is why I put that and in capital here. Okay, A and B. So for example, I will give you this thing. This position, you check it. It is black to move. Examples of stalemate. Black to play here. Can you see here? King is in check? No. Black king is not in check. Where can it move? It cannot move anywhere. Right? So that is what is a stalemate, classic stalemate example. And this can happen because sometimes in your games, it has happened to me. So obviously, and it happened to me just last week. Okay, I was playing a game online and I was completely winning and I was about to checkmate, and then I just made one move under quickly, and then it was a wrong move, and then I gave a stalemate. So you will not be surprised if it happens in your games also. It happens in everybody's game sometimes, so you have to be careful. Okay. No, there is it's a draw. So Sarish is asking what is the difference between a draw and a stalemate. See, draw is a general term. There are so many ways. There are 6 ways of getting a draw. Stalemate is just one specific way of it. Okay, that is the difference. There are 6 ways of getting a draw, and one of them is a stalemate. Okay, fine. So this is a stalemate. There is one more example I'll give you. So this is very easy to see, but look at the other example here, which is on the right side. In this position, white is to play, and is there any move possible for white? Legal move.
No.
And is the king is in check?
No.
So king is not in check. There are no other ways for it to move. So hence this game is stuck at this place. Why it is a draw is that, see, the game is not able to proceed. It is stuck here only. It is no matter how long. After 1 year also you come, there is no change is going to be possible. So hence it is considered as a this is a stalemate. Okay, so this is a stalemate because king is not in check and it does not have any other legal move. There is a lone pawn that is there, but that is also blocked, so cannot move. So sometimes even more pieces will be there, but if they cannot make any move, then it's a draw. Okay, so this is the third example that we have seen. Let us see what is the fourth way. Fourth way is called as perpetual check. Okay,
Check.
it is perpetual check means
So what is that?
infinite series of checks. Okay, there is no progress is possible. Continuously one side is going to give checks to the other, king will keep moving, and that obviously is going to result in it's a draw. Okay, you want to see an example? I have the example. Okay, so perpetual check. So this is an example. See, left is a position. So in this position, who is ahead? Obviously black is ahead. Black has got a queen and a knight. White has got and 2 pawns, and black has got black has got queen, knight, and 2 pawns. White has got only a bishop and a knight. Okay, not only that, black is ready to, if black were to move, it is a checkmate in 1. Queen h2 is checkmate, right, with the help of the knight. Or queen g1 also is a checkmate. So almost white is like almost dead. Okay, but obviously what I said, a draw is always better than a loss, and a win is better than a draw. So what does white do here? White plays knight to g6 check. It is white to play. Okay, so knight to g6 check. Now black king has got, it's a knight check, so blocking is not possible. Capture in this position, it is not possible. So only avoid. King has got only 1 square to move. Where? It is going to be not e7. Knight to g6 check, king to h7. Okay, h7 on the edge of the board. It is on the edge column. So h7 only. Okay, h7. So when king goes to h7, knight again goes back to f8 and checks the king. Again, it's a knight check. Only avoiding is possible. King has got only one place to move, to h8. When king comes to h8, what does white do? Because anything else white does, he is going to get checkmated. So what does white do? He plays knight g6 again. Check. Again king h7. Again knight f8 check. Again king goes to h8. So this is called as a perpetual check. Okay, you can use this tactic. So this is considered as one of the tactic, because when you are losing and you have no option, you should look for something like this. So if you can give a perpetual check, yeah, it doesn't matter how many pieces you are down, but you can draw the game, right? Sometimes it is possible, just with one rook it is possible to give a perpetual check to the king, and it is possible. I mean, so yeah. So there is one more example also, I think. It is more, that is a slightly I will give you as a exercise, because that is a thing. But I hope you have understood what is the meaning of perpetual check. Why it is perpetual means to eternity. Okay, so here the checks will continue to eternity, no matter what. Okay. Okay, let us go to the next rule, which is the rule number 5, which is called as a threefold repetition. Okay, What it means is if exactly the same position occurs in a game, exact same position, no difference, okay, photographic, with the same side to move for the third time, okay, then it is considered as a drawn game, or rather it is a draw is available to a player. He has to ask it. It is not that somebody will say that it is a draw. They can continue to play again, and after that somebody may win, somebody may lose. But at when it is happening, and when it is happening at the third time, the player who is going to get this position and play for the third time from the same position, he has the option of claiming a draw. He can ask for a draw, okay, and then the if he asks, then he will get it. If he does not ask, then it will continue. Maybe it might go to the other side, and he might have the same position three times, and he might be eligible to ask for a draw. But again, if he asks at that move only, you have to ask before making your move whether it is it's a draw, and you can get it. And why it is there, I'll tell you. Because sometimes in chess it happens that perpetual check is very very easy to see, because it is like the same two moves are there, and that same two moves you keep repeating, so it is very easy. But move by threefold repetition is not necessarily at the same time. It is that sometimes it may happen, especially if the gridlock is there, all the pawns are blocked and you are only moving the knights and bishops around. It may happen that a position, some position occurs at say move number 22, and white is to play, and then same position occurs on move number 27, and then move number 32, okay, or 31, it doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter if the same position occurs even after some gap, it is okay. But if the same position and the same side to move is there, then you can get a draw. And why it is a draw is that whenever if it happens three times, then it is considered that you are in a larger cycle. You both of the players are playing a circularly. They are making some moves which keep repeating after some time, and three times is considered as enough. Means within that much time, if the position has not changed, then it is unlikely to change again, and hence it is given as a draw. Okay. So this fifth position, I think you just know it and keep it. Fifth rule. It is, I think, uh, when you go to level 3, that time you will see the importance of this, and you will also start doing it. Right now, you just keep it in the mind that this is possible. Okay. But the sixth rule is very important to know. This is called as 50 move rule. Okay. What this rule states, and sometimes people misunderstand it as a 1-5 15 move rule. It is not 1-5, it is 5-0. Okay. What is the rule? It says that if no pawn has moved, no pawn moves, okay, or no piece including a pawn is captured, there is no capture happens from either side for 50 consecutive moves, then it's a draw. Okay. So what it means, this is very unlikely to happen except in the end game, okay? Because something or the other will keep moving. Some pawn or the other will move as long as it is alive, or the pawns are completely blocked. Okay, there may be two pawns which are completely blocking each other, and hence they cannot move. And but even then, if the piece is also not capturing anything, because it may happen that the piece will capture one of the pawns, and then again the pawns will start moving. So every time this counter is like reset. Every time a pawn moves, you start counting again. Okay, it starts with 0. The pawn moves, then it is 0, and you start counting 1, 2, 3 like this. Every time the pawn moves, it is reset to 0. uh, but piece moves, it continues. So if a knight moves, we will say 1. If a bishop moves, we'll say 2, like this. But if a knight takes a pawn, again it comes to 0. Knight takes a bishop, it comes to 0 again. Okay, or anything takes anything, again it comes to 0. But after that, it is thing. So what happens typically is that in the end games, okay, there are some, okay, if I had not taught you the queen, how the queen gives a checkmate, last class we heard last week, it was possible that some of you might have got a draw with this move, because it would be the queen and the king against the other king, and you don't know how to checkmate. You will keep giving checks, and the other side will keep moving. I think it has happened. I remember one of your games, I don't remember who, I think it was Aiden or it was Who else? Somebody was there. I saw. I think it was going on and on and on like that. Not right now. Maybe 1 month back initially. Okay, so it may be possible. Okay, but so or it may be. See, you do you know that you can checkmate with two bishops also? I'm going to teach you that later on in level 2. Some of you may know it right now, but if you don't know, then it is possible that you will get into the draw, right? So that's why the 50 move rule is there. You have to checkmate the other side within 50 moves. Not, I mean, so when normally when this happens is when the other side has lost all the pawns and the pieces. So if like black has lost all pawns and all pieces, then only king is there. Then this rule will be applicable to black because no pawn would be moving except white's pawn. Maybe if white pawn moves, then no problem. Again, you have to reset. But assuming that white has no pawns, black has also no pawns, white has some pieces, then this king, this rule will come into picture. Okay. So let me see if no, I don't have an example, but yeah, this because this you cannot give an example unless you actually show it, right? The entire game. So that is what it is. But are there any questions? Are there any questions on these 6 rules? Now let us just recap. What are the 6 rules? Both players agree to a draw. That is 1. Not enough material. Number 2. Stalemate when there is no legal move available and the king is not in check. That is number 3. Perpetual check. We saw an example. That is continuously checking the king, not giving. Then finally, the last 2 are the ones which are positional things where move by threefold repetition, 3 times photographic position occurring on the game, or 50 move rules. These are the 6, and these are the only 6 ways of drawing the game. Okay. If you have any questions, let us see. Otherwise, I have some puzzles for you.
Hey.
Okay. Look at this puzzle, this position. Can you see this? See, this is white queen is here on G4. This is white queen. This is black queen on D7. Okay. Now in this position, white took the queen on, white was to play, white took the, captured the queen on D7, queen to D7. I am asking you, is it a good move? It is a bad move? It is an excellent move? What do you think it is?
It is a bad move.
Why?
Bad move.
Why?
It is a stalemate.
Who got it? Who said that?
Good move. Good move. Sir, I said.
No, you said means who are you? You give your, share your name. Tell your name.
Rohan.
Huh?
Rohan.
Yeah,
Rohan.
Rohan. Yes, you are right. It is a not a good move because it's a stalemate after that. Okay. Can you see? It's a difficult to see stalemate, but can you see? Can the knight move? Black knight on H8. Can it move?
No.
No, because it is blocked by its own pawns. Okay. Can the pawns move?
No, sir, they blocked.
They're blocked. Correct. Can the 2 pawns on F and G pawns are blocked, but the pawn on C6 is not blocked. But can it move?
It is pinned.
No, it's pinned. It's
Who
pinned.
said that? Yeah, it is pinned.
Yeah, it's pinned.
Okay. Now, can the king move?
No.
Not after queen comes to D7. Before that, it could have moved to A7, right? King could have moved to A7, but because the queen is on D7,
What about B8?
king cannot go to the 7th file also, right? And the rook is preventing it from coming to the B file. 7th rank it cannot move, B file it cannot move. So king also does not have any move. So which means, in spite of having a very winning position, white has got a, just 1 second. Yeah, hello. Hello, I have lost power, so sorry about the glitch. There is no power here, but I have switched to my mobile network, so it may be slightly bad, but yeah.
He can't really join again.
Sir left again.
No, he's right there. He has not left.
Sir is still there.
The
Yeah.
background is there.
His
Yeah,
background is
he's
there,
not there,
he's
but his
not there.
background is there.
Yeah. Background is there, but
Yeah.
sir is not there. Sir, your background is there, but you are not seen.
Okay, I think
Sir?
I
Sir
have,
is sharing the screen. But we can't see his screen properly. It's just showing Shivaji artist has started sharing his screen.
hold on,
Yeah, same here.
hold on.
Yeah, same here.
It will get refreshed. It will get refreshed in 1
Sir,
second.
I can't see you.
It is
Your voice is cracking.
Sir, your voice
Sir,
is
no.
cracking. That's what you are not seen.
yeah, it is okay. I think, see, I have lost power, so my fast network is gone. It is a mobile network, so
Oh, okay.
it is going to be a thing.
Can
But
anyone
anyway,
else hear me though?
I'm going to mute all. I'm
Now
going
I can see the screen.
okay. I have muted all.
Okay, sir.
I have muted all, I think. So, so anyway, so we are almost ending, but there is a,
Sir, but if you mute us, I'm able to unmute you.
correct. I'm going to mute all, and I don't know whether I'm able to mute. It is okay. Just type on the chat. Okay, just type.
Is the host again?
It happened again.
Oh,
Oh, I
yeah.
can see your
Sir,
video.
I can see you now.
I can see you too.
Sir, why did it get refreshed?
Ah, yeah.
You're
Sir,
muted.
you're
We can't hear you.
muted. Someone muted you. Like, yeah.
Okay. Can you? All right, and I'm going to. Okay. So share screen and share and. Yeah. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Okay, I think it is going to be unstable. Forget it. I think we will stop it here. We will go on to the live chess now. You can start, go to live chess and start playing there. We will cover this later on. So I'm going to end it now. Okay. Bye everyone. And see you on live chess arena. Okay. Okay, I think 2 people have raised the hands. If there is any question, please talk or type. But otherwise, we are done. I'm going to send a handout. There are 2 more puzzles similarly that will help you practice the stalemate tactics. Okay.